Good morning, all of you. Shall we
Good
start?
morning, ma'am. Good morning,
Good morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so we'll start with a new topic today. That is
Auxiliaries.
the idea. It's helping, helping verbs, auxiliaries,
Auxiliaries.
helping verbs. What is the other name for helping verbs? Auxiliaries. Some are saying some other different names. So what is that word? Auxiliaries. Auxiliaries. And we have two kinds of auxiliaries. Okay. One is primary auxiliaries, the other one is modal auxiliaries. We say modals also. Modal auxiliaries or modals. Okay, so we will learn about primary auxiliaries this year. Okay, modal auxiliaries you learn in 5th standard, detail. So at least the primary auxiliaries should be clear. So when I say this primary auxiliaries, you will be thinking it's something very big, it's very tough, something like that. You people have already learned this in English grammar in 2nd standard. The use of am, is, are. Remember, you have learned this in 2nd standard. Has, have. Remember? How many of you remember? Yeah. So it's not a big thing. It's not a big thing. It's very easy. Only thing you have to know, singular or plural. Singular or plural is, if it is clear to you, it is easy for you. Okay. Do you all know singular, plural?
Yes.
Singular means
One.
one. Plural, many.
More than one.
It's just a matter of singular and plural. Okay. So now 26. I'll just start sharing something with you. Okay, helping verbs. So the primary auxiliaries are primary auxiliaries are going to we are going to learn about primary auxiliaries. So there are 3 under this primary auxiliaries. The be forms. Shall I mute everyone? Then after some time, or otherwise you people mute. That will be easy for me. You people mute yourself. Okay, good. That's good. So when you want to ask something, you can ask also. As every time I have to unmute. Okay, good. So all of you are muted. So as I was saying, primary auxiliaries. Listen carefully.
Ma'am.
Primary auxiliaries.
Ma'am. Did you share the screen?
No, I stopped it. I'll be showing it after this. Okay.
Okay.
So the primary auxiliaries are be forms, have forms, and do forms. Which are the 3? If you want, you can make a note. Just, I'll be sending the notes in the evening. Be forms, have forms, and do forms. Okay. These 3 are coming under primary auxiliaries. Be forms, have forms, and do forms. So today we will learn the be forms. It's not a big thing. Be forms are simply am, is, are, was, or were. Okay, so just write be forms. Do you want me to write it? I'll write it. Can you see the whiteboard?
No. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, mute again.
Yes, ma'am.
So the primary auxiliaries.
Ma'am, where we should write it?
In the rough book, primary auxiliaries. Okay, and under the primary auxiliaries, the next thing coming is the be forms. Be forms, under which it comes am, is.
Now we should write it.
Yeah, you just note it down. Am, is, are, was, were. Okay, So this is the first thing, B forms, the first point in primary auxiliaries. Am, is, are. We are going to learn the use of am, is, are and all. Okay. Then next one, again, the have forms, which also you have learned in the second standard. Those who studied here, it's there in our worksheet. Has, under have forms, it comes. If you write in this order, it will be easy for you to remember. Has, have, had. These three are coming under have forms. Then next one is third one is do forms. Under which it comes do, does, or did. Okay. Which are the three? Be forms, have forms, and do forms. So first, we are going to learn today the be forms. Three under primary auxiliaries.
Ma'am, don't rub it.
I'm not rubbing.
Ma'am, I can finish.
Finished. Okay. So shall we start with the first one? Be forms.
Yes, ma'am. I didn't write it.
Okay, quickly. Be fast.
Fast and furious. Ma'am, finish.
Okay, finish. So Anvia, which are the three coming under the primary auxiliaries? Which are the forms?
Be forms.
Under which
forms.
have forms?
Do forms.
Okay, B forms, have forms, and do forms. So under B forms, which are the auxiliaries coming?
Am, is, are, was, were.
Okay. And have forms?
Have, had.
And do forms?
Do, does, did.
Okay. So these are known as the helping verbs or primary auxiliaries. Okay. So I'm going to stop share. So you have already learned about am, is, are in the second standard. Let me see how many of you remember it. Okay. So we all know that am can be used with only one subject in this world. Do you know which is that subject? Am. A-M. I, you know that. So it can be used only with I. Can we use am with any other subject? No. It's wrong if you use. Okay. So am is clear now. Am can be used only with one subject. Look at this.
I.
Can you see this picture? This image?
Yes.
Yes. Look at this. The use of am. Am can be used only with I. There is no change for that rule. Then is. The case of is used only with singular subjects and pronouns, singular pronouns. Is used only singular pronouns. Which are the singular pronouns? Any idea? Look at this examples. He, she, it. When it is coming as subjects. He, she, it. Okay, these are the singular pronouns. So always in present tense, past tense, the case is different. In present tense, we have to use is with the singular subjects and with the singular pronouns. Look at this. Raman is a boy. The subject is singular, isn't it? Then he is sitting in the class. That is Meena. So everywhere it's singular. So in singular cases, we have to use which helping verb? Is. Are you all listening? Are you listening, Leia? Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am.
So is used with the singular subjects. Can you make a sentence using is? Don't look at this examples. Try one.
I am a boy.
Eh? What is that, Chris? Chris, can you say one?
He is studying.
He is studying. Chris, did you say anything?
Ma'am, my house is red color.
One of you.
Ma'am,
Ah,
can I say? Ma'am, can I?
yeah, wait, Dia. Yes. I was asking to Chris. I don't know whether he answered. Chris, have you answered? I cannot hear you, Chris. There's problem. Okay, Anvia. Just try Anvia.
Ma'am,
Yes, try.
my book.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Some
Ma'am,
problem
can
with
you-
your audio. I cannot
Ma'am.
hear it. See, better.
Ma'am,
He is eating.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
can I tell?
Eva.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait. Don't make noises. Okay. Eva,
Ma'am, my pencil is sharp.
my pencil is sharp. Very good. Very
My
good.
book is
Now,
on the table.
The ball is red.
yeah, you got many examples now. Wait, we need these examples. Wait. Okay. So is used only with the singular subject. Is that clear to you? Is it clear? Okay. And which are the pronouns we can use with is? Juwan will say. Juwan, sit straight. Only Juwan. Okay. Others, please mute. Are you listening, Juwan?
Yes.
Okay. So we were discussing about is and which are the pronouns we can use with is.
Ram.
No, I asked pronouns.
Pronouns.
The
That.
that, no. The singular subject pronouns like he, she, and it. Juan, you're not listening, I think. Okay. And we can also use is with that, this, okay, etc. Look at this. We'll go to the board. Anselin. Okay. You see the board, whiteboard? Yes.
No, ma'am.
Now? Is
Yes,
it okay now?
yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Look at this. Just note it down. Is the use of is. It's always used with singular subjects. When I say singular subjects, do you know what it is clearly? What is singular subject?
One item. Can you
Just
hear
one.
me?
Yeah, I can hear.
Thank you, ma'am.
He, she, it,
It
and this,
is
that.
that.
Okay. So always with these subjects, we have to use is.
Is.
Okay. Is. It's always used with singular subjects. You have seen the examples also. Then the next one. Are.
Mommy, you have to write.
You just note it down roughly in your rough book. Evening, I'll send the detailed notes, okay, with the exercise which you have to do.
Mom,
Okay.
you have to write this.
You have to write it. Plural. Plural. Are is used with the plural subjects. So if I say plural subjects, what does it mean? What does it mean? Plural subjects. Can you say? Plural. Who'll say?
Many.
Many. Okay.
Are.
Then the pronouns like we,
Those.
they. Yeah.
Those.
Wait. First, we'll finish the pronouns. The plural subjunctive pronouns like we, they, you. Then these, those. Okay. So they're all we use are. Okay. Somebody's TV is turned on. Please mute. I don't know whose it is. Okay. Good. So got it clearly? Is an R? Is R is clear?
Yes.
And am you know already?
Those children are playing.
Yeah, those are playing. Do we say children's? No, it's wrong if you say. It's only children. The children are playing. You can say like that. Okay, now look at the board, this thing again. Can you see the examples given for R?
Yes.
Yes, wait. See, it's the plural. See, look at the subject here. Mr. and Mrs. Sharma are at the grocery shop. Yes. Two are there. It's more than one subject. Grocery shop, from where we get the rice and other things, the utilities like that. Okay. Okay. Then they are buying vegetables. Vegetables. Okay. So can you make a sentence using are? Sapna, try. You can use either a pronoun or a plural subject.
Ma'am.
Okay, wait.
Playing.
Wait. I asked Sapna, so she'll answer. Yes, Sapna? Are. You have to make sentence with are. What happens, Sapna?
Can I say?
Hmm?
Can I
Yeah.
say?
Wait, Sapna. Yeah, Sapna? Hmm. Sapna, can you hear me? Sapna, can you hear?
Ma'am, it is Leia, not Sapna.
No, I asked Sapna where she's gone. One second. Sapna, can you hear? Okay.
Ma'am, could I say?
Who wants to say? I. Who is that I? Who is that I? Ameya. Okay, Ameya, speak. Fast.
Those are playing.
Those boys
They
are
are
playing.
playing.
Or they are playing. Okay, fine. Is it clear to you? Amizar?
They are playing.
Okay. Is it clear to you? Everyone?
Yes.
Am is used with only one subject in the present tense, that is I. And is used with, which are the subjects we can use with is? Tell me.
Is.
It's used with the singular subjects and the pronouns like?
He, it, that, this.
Okay, that and this. And are, what about are?
Plural.
Plural subjects.
Plural form.
And pronouns? We,
We,
they,
you,
you.
those.
Okay. Now we'll see one exercise. Let me see whether you got it.
Okay.
Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes, you can see these questions. Fill in the blanks using is, am, or are.
Ma'am, I cannot see.
Ma'am, I cannot see.
Ma'am, I
Wait.
cannot see.
Ma'am, I can also not see.
Once again, I'll share. Once.
Ma'am, I can't see.
Now, what about now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So look at that. You have to fill the blanks using is, am, or are. So we are starting with able. Able. Read the second one. First one is already done. How old is Mr. Suresh?
You are an intelligent boy.
Okay, you are an intelligent boy. He said it correct. Good. Now, Devadarshan, say the third one. Others, please mute. All of you, please mute. Only not that. Third one. Third one.
I dash sorry to
Hurt you.
hurt you.
Is it is, am, or are?
Am.
Okay, very good. I am sorry to hurt you. It's very easy. Then, Dia, say the fourth one. Fourth.
They
Um.
they are moving out.
Very good. They are moving out. We have to use are with they. Then my neighbors, who will say this? Laya, can you say this? Fifth one.
My neighbors are troublesome.
My neighbors are troublesome. See, look at the subject. Plural, right? Yes, plural. Is Arfan, can you say the next one, sixth one? It's a question.
Six. Dash they.
Wait. Look at that question. Their dash, their car blue in color. See the subject? Is it singular or plural?
Are their car blue in color?
Wait. See, their car. Is it singular or plural? Think that, Arfan. Singular. So what will come? Is their car blue in color? Did you understand why we got is there? Because their car is only one. If it is cars, you can use are. Understood? Yes. So is their car blue in color? Now, the next one. Henry, can you say? Unmute. Seventh one.
We dash standing
At the bus stop.
at the bus stop where here
Dash.
dash no bus.
Bus here. So two are there. So what will come in the first blank, Henry?
We are.
We are standing at the bus stop. And the second one? Think and see. All of you mute. A lot of sound. Henry?
Yes.
Second blank.
There is.
Very good. There is no bus here. There is no bus here. Then eighth one, Isa will read. Isa. Yeah, Isa.
Kolkata dash a big place.
Big city. Okay.
Is.
Okay, Kolkata is a big city. Then Anne Maria. Unmute and read the ninth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Ninth one.
This dash is train request.
Okay.
This is a strange request.
Very good. This is a strange request. Now the last one. Anselin.
My friends are.
Anselin, read
Yes,
last.
ma'am.
Yeah.
My friends are. Friend is seriously ill.
Yeah, my friend is seriously ill. There is only one, my friend. Some of you are saying it's R. Okay, it's wrong. Only one friend, my friend. So it's singular, so you have to use is. Now, is it clear to you now? Amiza? Sure? Yes? I'll why you raising hand? Okay, you got it clearly. Okay. Okay. One sec. Okay. So do you have your workbooks with you? Workbooks? All of you? Do you have your workbooks? Okay. Take worksheet number
30.
13.
Yes, ma'am.
13. Okay.
13.
Worksheet number
Ma'am,
13.
your sound is coming.
So that first page of worksheet 13, it contains some rules for using Amiza. You have to read that clearly. And only the second page you have to do. Only this page you have to do. Okay.
Ma'am, no test this day.
No, today no test. Next class we'll do. Okay.
Ma'am, what did you write?
Not that daily test. He asked about daily test. Next class we'll do. Okay. Now fill in the blanks with Amizar. Look at the first one. We'll just quickly read. We'll start with Adidev. Adidev, you got that page, Adidev? Can you quickly read the first question? Only one.
dash 6 years old.
So what will come?
I am.
I am. It's easy. Now Adinath. Yeah, unmute and read the second one. Yeah.
I'm Yusuf.
Which page you're reading? Worksheet 13. Second one.
Demonstrative pronouns.
No. Which one? Turn the page. Adinath, we told you to turn the page. Okay. Second one. First one, Adidev has read. Now the second one you have to read. Ritu, that one. All of you, please mute. I can hear your parents talking. Please mute.
I am 6 years old.
I am 6 years old is read by Adidev. Adinath, still you're finding the page. Look at this, Adinath. This one. Look here.
Next page, Adinath.
Next page, turn. Okay. He can't find the page is vanished. Okay. Now I'll go to Varda then. Varda, Adi, you find the page. I'll come back to you. Okay. Find the page. Worksheet 13 you find.
Ritu is playing basketball.
Okay, Ritu is playing basketball. Very good. Now the next one. Ayil, you have workbook? You got? Yes. Ayil, can you read? Third. Question C. I can't hear. Say louder. Worksheet 13, question 3.
Ma'am, I got it. Ma'am.
Wait.
Ma'am, I got
it. Okay.
Somebody.
Please mute. All of you please mute. Ayil is reading. All of you please mute. After that you can ask me doubts. Okay, I'll just carry on. Okay, I'll. Yeah, okay, I can hear. Read.
There dash 12 months in a year. There is 12 months in a year.
No, dear, it's wrong. 12 months, plural, right? Is it plural or singular? What do you say?
There are 12 months in a year.
Very good. There are 12 months in a year. Okay. Now, Adinath, hope you got the page.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Second.
read.
Ritu,
No, Ritu and all is over. Question D.
those dash flowers
Mm.
pretty.
Those flowers.
Dash pretty
Okay. Those flowers.
are
Okay. Are very good. Isra, can you read the next one?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
A lily dash a beautiful flower.
Mm.
A lily is a beautiful flower.
Okay. Now, with this, we are finishing. You have to complete this exercise. Only one exercise. Only one worksheet.
Ma'am, I completed full.
Yeah, now itself we can do it. So I'll be sending the notes. You have to, not like last time, the last few weeks, you were just pending the works. You were not doing it at the correct time. I know that. Some of you were doing it, but many of you were not doing. Okay. So what you have to do, whenever I'm sending the grammar notes, that day itself you try to complete, and that day itself you try to do the workbook exercise also. So today's homework is this worksheet 13. Okay. See you. Bye. We'll meet in the next class. Bye.
See you, ma'am.